Ebid is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of used and refurbished electronics, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles. The platform offers a wide selection of products from various brands and models, all of which undergo rigorous testing and quality checks to ensure their functionality and reliability. Ebid's user-friendly interface and secure payment options make it a convenient and trustworthy option for both buyers and sellers in the pre-owned electronics market. Ebid also offers an affiliate program for individuals and websites to earn commissions by promoting its products and services. Affiliates can sign up for the program for free and receive a unique referral link to share on their platforms. For every sale made through their link, they earn a commission of up to 10% of the total order value. Ebid provides marketing materials and support to help affiliates maximize their earnings, and payments are made monthly via bank transfer or PayPal. The program is open to all eligible applicants, and there are no minimum sales requirements. If you're interested in selling your used electronics on Ebid, here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own store. 1. Register an account. Visit the Ebid website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business details and confirm your email address. 2. Complete your profile. After logging into your account, go to your profile settings and fill out all the required information, including your company name, address, and contact details. This will help potential buyers trust your store and make it easier for Ebid to verify your identity. 3. Add products. Go to the Add Product section and fill out the product details such as the brand, model, condition, price, and description. You can also upload photos of the item from different angles to show its condition. Make sure to be accurate and honest about the product's condition to avoid any disputes with buyers. 4. Set up shipping. Ebid offers various shipping options, including standard, expedited, and international shipping. Choose the one that best fits your location and preferred delivery time. You can also set up shipping rates based on the product's weight and destination. 5. Customize your store. Go to the Store Settings section to customize the look and feel of your store page. You can add a logo, banner image, and custom text to make it more appealing and memorable for buyers. 6. Manage orders. Once a buyer places an order, you'll receive a notification in your Ebid account. You can then view the order details, confirm shipment, and communicate with the buyer through the messaging system. Make sure to pack and ship the item promptly to avoid any delays or issues with delivery. 7. Get paid. Ebid pays out commissions weekly via bank transfer or PayPal, as long as you've earned at least €50 in sales during that period. You can also withdraw funds at any time by requesting a payout through your account settings. By following these steps, you can create a successful store on Ebid and start selling your used electronics to a global audience.